sugar. Honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Honey, sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This happened once before, when I came to your door. No reply. They said it wasn't you, but I saw you peep through your window.
You know, if you break my heart, I go, but I'll be back again. 'Cause I told you once before goodbye, but I came back again.
Asked the girl what she wanted to be. She said, baby, can't you see? I want to be famous, the star of the screen, but you can do something in between.
Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star. Baby, you can drive my car, and baby, I love you.
Listen, do you want to know a secret? Do you promise not to tell? Oh, closer. Let me whisper in your ear. Say the words you love to hear.
I'm in love with you. Ooh, try see it my way. Do I have to keep on talking till I can go on? Why see it your way? Run the risk of knowing that our love may soon be gone. We can work it out. We can work it out.
Should have known better with a girl like you, that I would love everything that you do, and I do. Yeah, he's a real nowhere man, sitting in his nowhere land.
You're gonna lose that girl.
You're gonna lose that girl.
You're gonna lose. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Thanks for
Welcome, thank you.